Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Chase Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Chase Bank. Click on this first website over here. Over here, we can see this option for signing in. So let's tap on this. Now simply enter a username and enter a password. If you want your username to be remembered even after you get back, simply click on Remember Me. And if you want to use the token, you can click on Use Token here and enter your token number. After which, you can simply click on Sign In. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can go and click on Forgot Username and Password. Simply click on Sign In, after which we get into Chase Banking interface. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.